The following is a conversation with His Divine Grace, A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada, recorded on May 12, 1977, in Rishikesh, India.
Makta means mad, drunkard, and Pramatta means modern. So, generally people, they have become mad after sense enjoyment. Everyone is busy for sense enjoyment. This is material life. And when they are fed up, no more available. So they become taggy, frustration that grapes are sour. The jackal jumped over to get the grapes, but when he could not obtain it, then he rejects. What is it is sour. So Kurmis, they are promoted. Mad after enjoying. And Gyanis, being fed up, they say, Brahma Sattva Jagan Vitha. You are useless. So this is going on. The Karmis, they want to enjoy this material world, and the Gyanis, they are little advanced. They are fed up rather. They want to enjoy by becoming one with the Supreme. So there is want. The Karmis want to enjoy this world, and the Gyanis want also. There is demand, mukti. Mukti means to become one with the Supreme Brahma. And the yogis, they want siddhi, ashtasiddhi. Animal, prapti, sita. They also want. Therefore, our Vaishnava poet Kaviraj Goswami, he says, Bhukti Bhukti Siddhi Kami Sakali Asan. Those who are after something, either enjoyment of this material world or enjoyment of spiritually becoming one, or to have some siddhis, they want something. So they cannot be helped because there is demand. Maybe I want better things than you. But I want, I am in need. So therefore, those who are in need, they cannot be helped. Bhukti Mukti Siddhi Kami Sakali Asanta Krishna Bhakta Niska. Krishna Bhakta does not অতএব শান্ত, he is. He satisfied. Shamin Tithathosmi Barang na jachi. I don't want to. I am fully satisfied. Dhruva Maharaj, he went to the forest underwent very severe austerity, and when Lord Vishnu appeared before him, take benediction, whatever you like, he said, Samin Kritarthosmi Barang Naja. I am no more demand. I am fully satisfied. So this is the teaching. If we want to be fully satisfied, without any demand for sense gratification, then we become happy, and that is available in full Krishna consciousness. That is Chaitanya Mahaprabhu says, Nandhanangana janangana sundaring kavitangva jagadisha kama. We don't want. People want money, have many followers, nice wife, but Chaitanya Mahaprabhu refuses. Nandhanangana janangana sundaring kavitangva jagadisha. Amo janmani janmanishari bhavatar bhakti. Let me remain your servant. Janmani janma. Mukti means no one janma. So he doesn't want even mukti. Bhakti mukti siddhi. For a devotee, either this life or next life, the business is the same, to serve Krishna. So, this verse, Nunang Brahmatta Kurute Vikarma. People are mad after sense gratification in different ways. So, Rishabhdev says, no, this is not good. You have already obtained a material body as a result of your past karma, and you are suffering. Body means suffering. Janma mrityu jara vyati dukkha doshanandana. So you have already got this body and you are suffering. You are again trying to get another body. Na sadhu. This is not. Our whole basic civilization is Punarjanma Jaya, to conquer over Punarjanma. And here Krishna gave me very simple formula. Janma karman samididvam jujanati. If we simply understand what is Krishna and what is Krishna, for that purpose we are writing so many books. The scholars, they are appreciating. Otherwise, Krishna is available very easily. Manmana bhavamad bhaktam majyari mam namaskar. But if you want to understand Krishna, tat, then we have got so many books. can read and try to understand Krishna. And when you understand Krishna through Bhagavan's hand, then your life is successful. And karmis are one nasaduman. This sense gratification is not karmana daiva nestrena janta deva upapat mrityu samsara vatmani. This karma means mrityu samsara. Again and again. Tatha dehantara prapti. You have to change this body. You do not know what kind of body you are going to get. There are 8,400,000 different forms of body. Any one of them I can get. So, if I lose the opportunity of human form of life and be engaged for some years, say 10 years, 20 years, 50 years, as a very big man, and by my action, if I become a dog next life, then my life is spoiled. We should not spoil our life. We should fully utilize. And how to utilize fully, they are all given direction in the Shastra. Bhagavad Gita is the preliminary understanding. And if we understand Bhagavad Gita, understand Krishna at least little bit. That is the end of instruction. Sarvadharman parityajya mamekam shranam. If you have got faith that what Krishna says is right, Sarvadharman. That is explained by Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami, that faith, Shraddha, he has explained, Shraddha sabde Vishya Sudhira Nishcha, Krishna Bhakti Kaile Sarva Karma Krita. Krishna says, Sarvadharman parityajya mamekam sharanam bhaja. And one who has got faith in these words, yes, if I surrender to Krishna, all success will follow. This is faith. So faith is the beginning of Krishna. Adau Shraddha, Tato Sadhasam. So, if we have got faith in the words of Krishna, they are very openly spoken, and then our life becomes successful. But we have no faith in Krishna. They take Krishna as ordinary human being. Avajananti mang mudha. If you say that you have no faith in Krishna, then you are a mudha. He becomes angry. But I don't say, Krishna says. We are simply repeating the words of Krishna. Namanga duskidina mudha prabhadante narada. So, if we say people become angry, we don't say anything. We simply repeat. That is our business. We are not learned scholars. But our mission is to repeat the words of Krishna. That is Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's order. He says, আমার আজ্ঞায় গুরু হইয়া তারও you become guru. Now, I shall become guru. I am neither learned, not Vedantist, neither sannyasi. How can I become guru? No, you have not difficult. You, on my order, become guru simply jare dakho tare kaho Krishna hoi. You become guru. Whomever you meet, you simply try to convince him what Krishna has spoken. Then you become guru. So we request everyone the same thing and become, it is very urgently necessary. People are becoming godless, atheists, non-believers, and that's suffering. So, every village, every home, every neighborhood, they require guru. But who will be guru? One who repeats the instruction of Krishna. Jare dakho tare kaho. It is very easy. So, people are accepting all over the world the instruction of Krishna. These books we are selling. Daily our collection is 5 to 6 lakhs of rupees. Now this recent publication, how many copies we have printed?
220,000.
We expect to sell them very
3 months' time.
The Bhagavad Gita average edition, 300,000.
The abridged edition?
Yeah. Why is that average edition?
Yes. Quite.
Yeah. So, foreign country, foreign religion, and they are foreigners. So why they are purchasing this?
350,000 copies are there.
350,000 copies.
Bhagavad Gita as it is.
They are printing huge quantity.
They just printed 15 lakhs more. The new printing is 15 lakhs one time. Abridged edition.
तो आप लोग सब मूवमेंट में से जान कीजिए, कृष्ण का प्रचार कीजिए, इंडिया का कैसी बढ़ेगी, it will distribute India's glories. People will feel obliged to India that we have got this knowledge. I mean, the actual knowledge is here. There is no such knowledge all over the world. भारत भूमि से मनुष्य जन्म ही जा जन्म सार्थक करी परोपकार. India is meant for परोपकार. India is not meant for exploiting others. But unfortunately, the knowledge is Saraswati Jnana Khale Jadasati. We have got the store of knowledge, but we have kept it locked up. not distributed to the world. They are called Jnana-khala. One who has knowledge, but he does not want to distribute. That is, they are termed as Jnana-khala. So we should not be Jnana-khala. In India, there is storehouse of spiritual knowledge, and every one of us should make our life successful by assimilating this knowledge and distribute all over the world. There is customer, there is appreciation. This is Krishna consciousness movement. बोलिए महाराज, ठीक है कि नहीं? Why we should be Jnana-khala? Prasadaman. Jnana should be distributed. Modern scientists also, if they've discovered something new, go and distribute. For the benefit of the whole human society. Unfortunately, we are distorting the knowledge in Bhagavad Gita, interpreting in a different way according to my needs, and spoiling my life and others. This process should be stopped. Present Bhagavad Gita as it is. He will be benefited. Others. Don't disturb. That is all.
But do you not consider eligible to get the judgment in the American Supreme Court translated into Indian printed?
Yes, that we require an expert lawyer. There are some technical terms. Ordinary man cannot translate. If among yourself there is a lawyer, if he helps us translating, then permission. There are so many legal. The judgment is wonderful judgment.
Yes, it is historical judgment.
Yeah. I was expecting to fight that case at least for some years. But by Krishna's grace, he has given on the first day the judgment.
Was it argued on our behalf also?
No,
I see.
simply presented our statement. I advise them that you take my 84 books and present before the judge. Our statements are here. First of all, you read these books, then you give your judgment.
Self-explanatory.
Yes. So, Krishna has given him sense that from the ordinary statements he has understood the whole thing and he has given judgment in it. This is all Krishna's arrangement. Ishara Sarvabhutanam Riddhesha Arjuna Dishtham. He is every one's heart. So he has dictated that he gives judgment like this. Right? Otherwise, it was impossible. That is, in many courts, we have been harassed in Australia, many, because they are afraid of. Now Krishna consciousness movement is advancing. One politician has said that this movement is increasing like epidemic. If we do not check it, within 10 years, they will take our government. Yes, in America, one politician. So actually, that is happening. In spite of so much obstacles, we are increasing. Our books are selling, we are advancing, we are getting more devotees. We have got in every country of Europe, England, Germany, France, Portugal, Spain, Rome, Sweden, everywhere.
But the Pope is agreeing with you in Rome? The Pope is agreeing, the Pope.
Pope.
In Rome, he will agree with the Hare Krishna.
They agree, and who cares for his agreement?
With chanting and
We don't care for anyone agrees or not. We push on. That's it. Do you think in India they agree Krishna is the supreme person? Then we don't care for that. We have to go forward. That is all. If Krishna agrees, that is all. We don't care for anyone, agrees or not. If our master agrees, we are servant, and that is all. We don't care for anyone.
That is gaining ground all over the world, excluding India, the birthplace of this. Where the woman should be in precedent. The present younger generation here, you are right.
वो है ना गांव का जोगी भीख ना मिले देश है what is this Hare Krishna? We have chanted Hare Krishna many times. Now let us meditate. This is
the Indian government even don't grant visa for the followers of Hare Krishna movement in India.
So we are not dependent on Indian government.
Just for few months, no? You don't give long-term visa for Hare Krishna movement
No.
in India. Just for few months as tourist.
Yeah. 3 months, 8 months, 6 months. And we are losing 5 to 6 lakhs of rupees per year for this injustice. I pointed out the government that in America they give permanent residency to so many Indians. I am also. I have got the blue card, permanent residence in America. So why don't you give them permanent residence and my assistance? No. This is honest. I am preaching Indian culture all over the world, and I am bringing at least 10 lakhs of rupees foreign exchange for my Indian activity, but there is no help from the government. This is our position. So the constitution itself is defective. anything man-made will be defective. Therefore I will insisting, take the instruction of Krishna, you will be perfect. Don't manufacture.
You can't have that in authoritarianism. You can't have that in authoritarianism. There in Delhi, they feel that they are authority.
And become authority, that is, we said that you become Guru authority, but you learn first of all as Chela from the Guru, and then you become Guru. And without any learning, without any, how become a Guru? That is going on. Everyone is self-made Guru. That has to be stopped.
I feel in this country at least, the young generation, the present generation is absolutely, has got no base, religious base. And
Religious base is there. There is scriptures, but they are not being trained up.
then after some time,
They do not like to be trained up.
what will happen to this generation after 10
Then
years?
if the rascals, again we have to say the rascals, the rascal leaders mislead them. There is no hope.
There is no
There is no hope. Now, to prove from Bhagavad Gita, non-violence, how it is possible? Bhagavad Gita begins with the word Jujutsu. And now if you want to make it non-violent, that is misleading. Jujutsu means fighting spirit. Dharma Khetri, Khetri, Samaveta, Jujutsu. Where is non-violence? But our leaders want to prove Bhagavad Gita, non-violence. Is not misleading? Why you should misinterpret Bhagavad Gita?
Probably there is no salvation for this country.
There is. Not everyone is misled. One who can protect himself from this misleading if they can understand that leaders are blind, they have no knowledge, then they will say. That we are trying, and there is obstacle. When we say Krishna is the Supreme Being, they take objection. They say Krishna is an ordinary man. Ojanti Magmura. This is the struggle going on.
So we have to leave everything in the faith of Krishna.
Huh?
We have to leave everything
Yes.
at the feet of Krishna.
Yes. Sarvadharman Parityajamami. That is the instruction.
Whatever he does all.
Yes. Not does. He wants you also to do. He does not anything. Everything is done by his Parasa Shakti Vividayasya Savaviki Jnana Balokya. He hasn't got to do anything. Natasya Kajam Karanancha. He has got many energies. Still he acts to teach us. That is explained in Bhagavad. He is so kind. But as soon as he comes to teach us, we take him as ordinary man.
Is he coming again?
Yes, he has already come.
Yeah?
He has already come. By his name. Kali Kale Krishna Nam Rupe Avata. This Hare Krishna is Krishna. He is absolute. His name, his form, his attributes, his phenomena, they are all one. So, this Hare Krishna name is not different from Krishna. Nama Chintamani Krishna. Nama Chintamani Krishna. Chaitanya Rasa Vigraha. Purna Suddha Nitya Mukta Avinnatya Namana. Nama is Krishna. So he has already come. He is Chetata Purnamad Bhama Mahadava. Simply take Harinama, Harinama. Kirtanadeva Krishnasya Mukta Sangha Param. This is the verdict of Bhagavad. Kalaudosa Nidhe Raja Asti Jika Mahanagam. We have got a special concession in this Kali Yuga. We cannot execute all the instruction in the Vedas. We are fallen down. But if we chant Hare Krishna Mahamantra, Kirtanadeva Krishnasya Mukta Sangha, he becomes liberated from all the faults of this Kali Yuga, and Parang Braja goes back home. So Krishna is already. Harinama, 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 Kevalam, Kalu, Nasti, Nasti. This is Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Chant Hare Krishna. Wherever you are staying, it doesn't matter. Sane Sthita Siddhigatang Tanuvang Novi. Very, very simple formula. You can become liberated simply by chant. And if you think that you are very learned, read all these books. Two ways there. Thing is very simple. Every boy can chant Hare Krishna.
Rama and Krishna are, so to say, interchangeable?
No. Ramadi Murtisi Kala Niyamena Tishthan. Krishna has unlimited number of expanse. Ramanijinga Varaha. Ramadi Murtisi Kala Niyamena Tishthan. Nana Avataram Akarantu Vanesu. Krishna Swayam so. Krishna is the original person. And Rama and Krishna are the same, expansion.
Yes, what I mean. Rama and Krishna are
Same.
same.
Krishna is Rama, and Rama Krishna. So we chant Hare Krishna, Hare Rama. There is no difference.
We are living in more horrible conditions than what was obtained in the time of Mahabharata. And Krishna had promised the humanity that he will appear whenever there is.
Yes, he has appeared. Nam Rupe Avatar.
I think we are passing through a better hell than what was really meant.
The disease is there, the remedy is there. If you take the remedy, then there is no question of suffering from the disease. But he refused to take the remedy. Just like this verse from Srimad Bhagavatam, 12th canto, this Kali Yuga is the ocean of faults. Why should we lament for that? The remedy is there. Kirtanadeva Krishna Sammukha. You chant Hare Krishna. You become relief. Why don't you take the remedy? Mahami was a Prabhadanti, Mayami Dantanati. Why you are so much disturbed by Maya? Just surrender to Krishna. So it is our choice. We do not do that. Then he suffer. Mahamaprapha nivartanti mrityu sangrama. Krishna is giving personality. Just take me. And we are not accepted. What can we do? The knowledge is there, the process is there, the authority is there, all the acharyas, they have accepted, but we are so stubborn, we will not accept. That is it. We will manufacture our own ways. Jatamatappu. That is it. So, in this passage, have some people.
Dhamma Om Vishnu Padaya Krishna Prestaya Bhutale